Ever feel like you know the words but your mind just goes blank? Or you start talking and it just doesn't sound right? You're not alone. Most English learners feel this. The hesitation, the fear, the self-doubt. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill. And today, you're going to build it. With real English you can actually use. Welcome to Native English Practice, your daily place for real speaking practice. In this video, you'll hear a natural, real-life conversation with native-style English, full of everyday phrases and expressions. Then we'll dive into the most important part, shadowing practice. The fastest way to boost fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. It's simple, it's fun, and it works. Let's begin. You know, I came straight to the fridge the second I got home.
Of course you did. You never wait for dinner. You just hunt for snacks.
Dinner takes too long, and I'm already starving. Right now.
Well, maybe if you learned how to cook, you wouldn't have to wait.
Come on, you know my cooking is terrible.
Yeah, terrible is the nice word for it.
At least I'm honest about my lack of talent in the kitchen.
That's true. You're more of a professional eater than a chef.
Exactly. I'm a proud picky eater, and I admit it. Picky eater. A person who doesn't like many foods and only eats certain things. Example. My little brother is a picky eater. He only eats pizza and fries.
More like a picky eater who makes a big mess afterwards.
Wait, are you still blaming me for the dishes in the sink?
Of course. I know those were your dirty plates from last night.
I swear those were not mine.
Oh, please. You're the only one who eats pizza at midnight.
Okay, fine. Maybe one plate was mine. Or two.
Exactly. And you better be the one to clean them.
I have to admit, this pasta actually smells really good.
Thank you. It should. I added a lot of garlic and cheese.
Cheese. The secret to all good food.
Well, some people would say love is the secret.
Nah. Love is nice, but cheese is forever.
You're ridiculous.
Wait, what are all those boxes stacked in the fridge?
Those? Oh my God, Jake, you kept all those old takeout containers.
Yes, of course. Those are my leftovers. Leftovers. Food that is not finished and saved for later. Example. We ate pizza yesterday, and today I had the leftovers for lunch.
Jake, some of those are from last week.
So, food lasts longer than people think.
Not when it looks scary inside the box.
Come on, that pizza still has life in it.
I'm begging you. Throw it away before it walks out on its own.
Fine, but it breaks my heart.
You're so dramatic over cold food. Ugh, I can't even relax when I see that giant mountain of clothes over there.
Just don't look at it. Out of sight, out of mind.
Jake, you can't ignore it forever. That's not how life works.
Maybe not your life, but it works in mine.
No, we need a real laundry day, and it has to happen soon.
Laundry day. A day when you wash and clean all your dirty clothes. Example. Sunday is my laundry day. I wash everything in one go. Laundry day is the one day I dread the most.
Because you let everything pile up until you run out of clean socks.
Exactly. I just wait until it's a crisis.
That's not smart. That's just lazy.
Okay, fine. I promise. I'll do it tomorrow.
You always say tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes with you.
That's not true. Tomorrow is my favorite day to do everything.
Jake, that's called procrastinate. You just keep delaying things forever.
Procrastinate. To delay doing something you should do now. Example. I always procrastinate doing my homework until the last minute. Big word, Maya. But yes. Guilty as charged.
One day you'll learn.
Or maybe one day I'll invent clothes that clean themselves.
Now that's a dream worth chasing.
Anyway, this pasta is actually pretty good. I'll admit it.
See? You doubted me.
I always doubt you, but you keep proving me wrong.
That's my job as your sister.
Or roommate. Either way, you love bossing me around.
And you secretly like it.
Maybe. But don't tell anyone.
Your secret is safe with me. Okay, real talk. Who's taking the trash out tonight?
I think it's your turn.
No way, I did it yesterday.
I don't remember that.
That's because you were busy watching TV while I dragged the bag out.
Fine, then maybe today is my turn.
No, maybe. It is your turn.
Why does trash day always fall on me?
Because you conveniently forget when it's your turn.
I don't forget. I just choose not to remember.
That's the same thing.
Calm down. Don't overreact. It's just trash. Overreact. To make a small problem feel like a big problem. Example. My friend dropped a little water on the table, and his sister started shouting like the whole house was flooding. She really overreacted.
I'm not overreacting. I just don't want the kitchen to smell.
Fine, I'll take it out.
Thank you. Finally.
Wait, what is this?
Don't touch that.
Dear Diary, my brother is the most annoying person in the world.
Jake, that was from years ago. Give it back.
Oh my God, this is priceless.
Stop reading it right now.
Honestly, it's nice to know I've been consistently annoying my whole life.
I regret ever writing that.
Don't worry, I'll frame it.
If you do, I'll never cook for you again.
Okay, fine, I'll let it go. But that was hilarious.
You're impossible.
All right, the trash is out, the dishes can wait, and I'm officially done with chores.
Same. Let's just relax now.
Yeah, let's officially call it a day. Call it a day. To stop working because you've done enough for now. Example. We finished cleaning the house, so we decided to call it a day.
Best idea you've had all week.
How about pizza delivery?
Yes, pizza and breadsticks.
And a movie, something funny.
Perfect. That's how a weekday evening should end.
Food, movies, and no arguments.
Well, fewer arguments at least.
I'll take it. All right, that's the full conversation. Now it's your turn to speak, not just listen. We'll do something called shadowing practice together. In this practice, you'll take the role of Maya. Her sentences will appear as text on the screen, and you'll say them out loud. Jake's sentences will play as audio, so it feels like you're really having a conversation with him. Try to pronounce the words the same way you hear them. Match the rhythm, the sound, even the little pauses. Don't worry about being perfect. Just speak, enjoy the rhythm, and imagine yourself truly in the moment. Ready? Let's start. You know, I came straight to the fridge the second I got home. Dinner takes too long, and I'm already starving. Right now. Come on, you know my cooking is terrible. At least I'm honest about my lack of talent in the kitchen. Exactly. I'm a proud picky eater, and I admit it. Wait, are you still blaming me for the dishes in the sink? I swear those were not mine. Okay, fine. Maybe one plate was mine. Or two. I have to admit, this pasta actually smells really good. Ah, cheese. The secret to all good food. Nah, love is nice, but cheese is forever. Wait, what are all those boxes stacked in the fridge? Yes, of course. Those are my leftovers. So, food lasts longer than people think. Come on, that pizza still has life in it. Fine, but it breaks my heart. Just don't look at it. Out of sight, out of mind. Maybe not your life, but it works in mine. Laundry day is the one day I dread the most. Exactly. I just wait until it's a crisis. Okay, fine. I promise. I'll do it tomorrow. That's not true. Tomorrow is my favorite day to do everything. Big word, Maya. But yes, guilty as charged. Or maybe one day I'll invent clothes that clean themselves. Anyway, this pasta is actually pretty good. I'll admit it. I always doubt you, but you keep proving me wrong. Or roommate. Either way, you love bossing me around. Maybe. But don't tell anyone. I think it's your turn.
Okay.
I don't remember that.
Out.
Fine, then maybe today is my turn.
Sure.
Why does trash day always fall on me?
Turn.
I don't forget. I just choose not to remember.
Thing.
Calm down. Don't overreact. It's just trash.
Oh.
Fine, fine. I'll take it out. Wait, what is this? Dear Diary, my brother is the most annoying person in the world.
Back.
Oh my God. This is priceless. Honestly, it's nice to know I've been consistently annoying my whole life. Don't worry, I'll frame.
Again.
Okay, fine, I'll let it go. But that was hilarious. All right, the trash is out, the dishes can wait, and I'm officially done with chores. Yeah, let's officially call it a day. How about pizza delivery? And a movie, something funny. Food, movies, and no arguments. I'll take it. Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using one of today's vocabulary words. Or pick your favorite phrase. I'll be reading all your comments and giving hearts to my favorites. And I'll pin the best one. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English, real practice, real progress. Only with us.